What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Aaliyah, and I am back with another video. If it's your first time here, hi, welcome. I would offer you a seat, but y'all already know only my subscribers can sit down. So if you're trying to get you a seat, then go ahead and smack that subscribe button down below, and hurry up because we got a hair tutorial to get into. Okay. So boom, as y'all can see, I don't really know what to call these. I guess you can just call them, it's like I know what to call them, but I can't remember the exact name. But anyway, so as y'all can see, we kind of got these little 2-strand twists, like natural looking though, going on. And so I'm definitely loving this style. I'm going to make sure I link all of the hair and everything that I use in this video in the description box down below. This style only took me about, I would say, between like an hour and 30 minutes to about 2 hours. I feel like I went fairly fast. In the beginning, I thought I wanted to do like the rubber band method, but the weather said otherwise, and I didn't want to add on too much unnecessary time if they was both kind of going to give me similar looks. And so with that being said, if you like this style and you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching.
Dash a digit, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy F made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. They ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like S and D. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make the ones come and finish you. Though he been charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like go from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I'm going from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like S and D. Me and my dog going all the way. When you living like this, they supposed to hate. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like S and D. Me and my dog going all the way. When you living like this, they supposed to hate.
Then I made it mess up my mind, and I made it make you free up your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Say yeah, we did together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by, yeah, if you leave I'm strolling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby, as you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs in me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day I need no other. Your body talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Your body 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 talk to me nice.
I need you in the morning. Why I need you now, need you now, need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you what you're needing. I know what you like, what you like, what you like, what you like. Yeah, yeah. I feel it coming. Yeah, yeah. Tell me something, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. I try to change you. Yeah, yeah. But I need some answers. face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face. But I love it. But I love it. But I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. She'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, this I know. Sipping. What you do? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing in the east wing, the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you tryna leave these songs, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. Let you feel the way I feel, and you want me, I want you to love me. Tell me that you're coming soon. Ooh, you're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the hate. And if you're hungry, girl, I got filet. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're tryna play these songs, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. Let you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you to love me. Tell me that you're coming soon. That's a whole lot of new money. Session that hot from 12. Moving them swells and them bills. Serving the raws to yeah. Beating that China like Kuta Kinte. Whipping it, fishing for a kick. Drinking no syrup, I'm rolling them hair. Make myself a boss in the floor. Either way you put it, nigga, I'm good. Triple salute, nigga, straight out there. Make a soda water splash on scale. My right and my pot and my left. Leaning all the way over to the side. I whip me a full way to a 9. The dirty, the money is homicide. In my recipe, got me telling lies. Young nigga, move that dope. Young nigga, move that dope. Baby, move that dope. Baby, move that dope. Young nigga, move that dope. Young nigga, move that dope. Young nigga, move that dope. Baby, move that dope. Baby, move that dope. Young nigga, move that dope. Young nigga, move that dope.
Alright, y'all, and so here goes the final look. And so this literally did not take me long to do it all. I knew from the jump that I wanted this to be a side part, so I didn't really care too much about like gripping it a certain way or angling the twist a certain way. I will definitely do another kind of, what's the word, version of this style as soon as the weather gets its life together, because y'all, this is the reason, because y'all, when I tell y'all this weather is literally so terrible. And so I also wanted to add some beads on the end, but it's like, it's humid, it's raining, it's stormy, like it's terrible outside today. So honestly, I will definitely revisit this style as soon as this hurricane season is over. And so thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching this video. Let me know what y'all think about this style in the comments down below, as well as any other styles that you think I should try with this hair, because this style took me about 3 packs. And if you like me and always order extra hair, then we got at least another 2 styles worth of hair in that box. So with that being said, y'all be sure to drop some hairstyle ideas or just any videos you want to see in general down below. And you already know, smack that subscribe button down below, and I will see y'all on my next video.